Here I have SONY Xperia XZ3 and let me show you how to clear browsing history on the following device by using the Chrome. So let me open the Chrome at the very beginning. If this is your first time, let's go through this tutorial, and here we've got the Chrome. All we need to do right now is use this more key, select here the settings, scroll down and choose here the privacy right here. Scroll down again, choose clear browsing data, and as you can see here you can use this basic clearing browsing data, or you can choose advanced. And here you can clear browsing history, cookies and site data, cached and image files, save passwords, autofill form data, site settings, media line size. What's also really interesting, you can choose the time range, so you can clear those information from last hour or for example from all time. So now all you need to do is just choose clear data, and that's it. Just clear browsing data. You can go back and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.